In this video, I'm going to show you how you can put your link in front of over 1 million people who are getting crazy about iPhone 14, and you can make $1,000 to $5,000 per day in the process. Wait, is iPhone 14 released yet? No, but the rumors, leaks, and speculations are blowing up. In short, iPhone 14 has already become a hot trend in 2022, and surprisingly, it is not released yet. This is the right opportunity to steal the 246,000 visitors per month who are searching for iPhone 14 on the internet. Yes, 246,000 people are searching for something which has not been released yet. Cool stuff. So, in this video, I will show you how iPhone 14 can make you as much money as all these YouTubers are making by simply talking about rumors, release date, design, and specs of iPhone 14. And the best part is that you can start making money with almost zero effort compared to all these YouTube channels. Look, every second is important as the trend is still fresh and people are already searching for it. So make sure to watch this video entirely and let's get started today. Before we move forward, let me show you the magical software that makes us money using videos. We use Epic to create 1-minute short videos for YouTube, and YouTube promote shorts and send free visitors to our short videos because it's a new feature and YouTube is trying to make it popular. So to make videos using Epic, we simply copy and paste free image and video links and paste it right here. We don't have to use our own voiceover because the software creates natural voiceover for us using text to voice feature, and we don't even need to write our video scripts because the software writes the script for us using built-in artificial intelligence. And you can try the software for free. Link is in the description. Go get it. Before we begin, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, and this is very important, share this video with your friends and family and all your social media contacts, your social media timelines, the social media groups that you are in, like Telegram groups, WhatsApp groups, Messenger groups, everywhere. This way, not only you are learning how to make money online, but you are also helping your friends and family and social media contacts learn how to make money online the easy way, the right way, and the fun way. This way, you present yourself as the coolest person on the planet who shares money-making ideas with others. And of course, everybody gets access to our premium software for free, which is linked in the description. And one more thing to consider, when you share good information with people, they start following you and eventually they will become your clients and customers. This is where we all started. This is where the big guys started, and you're going to start too. So share this video with your friends and family. Now, don't worry about any technical stuff we show in this video. We have already done all the research part, so you don't have to. We have done all the hard work and found everything you need to get started with making money from the iPhone 14 rumors. And this system that I'm about to share with you is completely beginner friendly and can be done from anywhere on the planet. And you can make money even if you have never made a single penny online and it's your first time watching my videos. So stay tuned till the end. You don't need any special skills or talent. You don't need to be a tech pro. All you need is one premium software which is absolutely free for my YouTube viewers. This software is designed to handle 99% of the work in this system. You can get it from the description anytime. Now let me ask you a question. Why do you think tech channels make so much money? The reason is simple. They're always the first to talk about the upcoming trends and technologies and give in-depth information about it. They are always ahead of the game. For instance, Unbox Therapy makes $535,000 per year, Mr. Who's the Boss makes $2.1 million per year, and MKBHD makes around $1.8 million per year just by talking about tech products. This amount is only from AdSense alone. they make much more money from affiliate marketing and from brand deals. And the list goes on and on. But we don't make this much income because by the time we get a tech product in hand to review and make videos, these giant channels have already made review videos, unboxing videos, and comparison videos. That's why I'm always on the look for new opportunities to stay ahead of the competitions and thus help you and myself make more money. I was exploring the internet for more ideas and I stumbled upon a goldmine, iPhone 14, the most awaited phone in 2022, which is not even released yet and people are already started talking about it. Just noticed about it on Google News, and let me tell you one thing. If something is showing on Google News, then it means it's already a hot topic and it's trending and it's going to become a bigger trend in the coming days. So I checked on Google Trends and I was shocked. The term iPhone 14 is already on the rise and it's only going to get bigger until the model is officially released. The trend started back in the beginning of 2022 and by now the arrow is pointing upwards, which means the interesting is getting high. Let's check it on my favorite Uber Suggest. Look at this. The term iPhone 14 is being searched 246,000 times per month, and it is only going to get bigger as more and more information will get leaked. And see, the top tech websites are already publishing articles around this term because the tendency for articles to go viral is always high for these keywords. Now, the keyword research results on Uber Suggest is a premium data, which means you need to pay to get access to this data. But don't worry, I will keep it in the description so you can download it and use it to start making money today. So stay till the end to know how you can use this data in your advantage. Now check this article on Uber Suggest and they already have 22,000 visitors. 22,000 people have read this article. The information is not official. The design is not out. These specs are not announced. Still, people are searching for it like crazy. Now let's check on YouTube. Just search iPhone 14 and on YouTube you will see all these smart channels have already made videos around it with millions of views and they are making tons of money already. Look at the search volume for iPhone 14 on YouTube. It's more than 14,000 per month. This also means when iPhone 14 will release officially, these 14,000 will skyrocket to maybe 14 million, who knows. And that time, if you already have videos on YouTube, chances are your video will go viral. This is riding the wave. You make a video on a hot topic when it's trending and you get a chance to go viral. Check this video from Later Clips. They published a video 5 days ago and they already have more than 64,000 views in just 5 days. In our case, we make $5 from every visitor we get from our views. And if this video has crossed 64,000 views, you can imagine how much money they can make in a day. But you know the most interesting part? He talks about information he learned from different articles, free articles on the internet. So nothing new, nothing official, nothing from Apple yet. He is already making videos and earning money. All about rumors, leaks, and unconfirmed information. This is the opportunity we are talking about. But the only problem is almost all the videos are lengthy. You see 3, 4, 5, even 10-minute videos, and all these YouTubers are facing the camera while recording the video. But if I know you right, you hate cameras and you hate to speak in the microphone and you hate writing scripts. And of course, most of us, including me, we hate long videos. Good news, you don't have to do this if you don't want to. You can make shorts or 1-minute short videos for YouTube using my software Epic. So here comes my premium software, which is absolutely free for you, my YouTube subscribers. Oh, in case you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please hit the subscribe button and switch on the notification bell button, and make sure you like this video and share this video with your friends and family. This software will help you make YouTube short videos or even any kind of videos in just 3 minutes without you doing anything. We get a lot of views from YouTube. Look at our channel analytics. We got 22,000 views in last 28 days alone. Look at 90 days, 57,000 views in last 90 days. Now let's go back to 28 days and look at the shorts feed, 12.7%. This traffic, these views came directly from YouTube because we are publishing shorts. And our shorts are under 1 minute long, of course. They're getting good number of views. We do absolutely no promotion whatsoever for our shorts. All these views are coming from directly YouTube. And we build our shorts using our software Epic. It is super simple to use Epic. Simply create new, give your video a name, select vertical, click create. You got a vertical canvas. If you want to add an image, copy image address from any source, paste it here, and your image is imported. You can resize it, rotate it, make it dramatic. You can add text, resize the text, and do all kinds of formatting. If you want a voiceover and you want to copy from anywhere, you can do it. Just copy from any website you want or place you want. Click the text generator, paste it right here. Use our AI or artificial intelligence to rewrite for you, or use the spinner to rewrite your choice. Let's use the spinner, and the text you copied from somewhere is rewritten. Copy the text, take it and go to the audio section. Either you can upload your own audio or record your own audio from your mic, or use the text to audio to add natural voiceover using the application. Give it a name, choose your favorite voice type, paste the text here, then click submit. Go to the text to audio section, click add. And your bite-sized video is ready. You can make it any length and you can add multiple bite-sized videos to make any length. Save your work to come back and add more videos sections. Once you are done, click the render button and the video will be rendered in the background. This is exactly how we made this video right here, and we are getting views organically from YouTube, 100% free. This is the 1 minute video and it took 10 minutes to create. Super simple. Go get Epic from the link in the description. So did you see it? In just 3 minutes, you can make YouTube Shorts and provide value to your audience without even you doing anything. In case you're thinking about why I specifically showed you the example of Shorts in my software, two major reasons for that. Number one, YouTube promotes Shorts videos these days because Shorts is a new feature for YouTube, and YouTube is trying to make Shorts popular to compete with TikTok and Instagram Reels. This helps YouTube visitors stay longer period on YouTube and even get more visitors from outside to YouTube. So it's a win-win for YouTube, for us, and of course, visitors who need the information. Let me show you a live example. I just searched with the keyword iPhone 14 on my phone and let me show you the results. Scroll up, and you see the Shorts feed. The first video has got 2.6 million views and the second video 530,000 views, 165,000 views and 92,000 views, 1.4 million views and 14,000 views, 12 million views and 651 views. No, 651,000 views, 3.7 million views, 2.5 million views. Isn't this amazing? Just talking about something for 30 seconds to 1 minute, which is not even out yet, and making money out of it. So that's it. Make short videos using YouTube. Links are in the description. Go get Epic, make short videos, publish on YouTube, get traffic, get sales. So it's that simple. Go get all the data we found on Uber Suggest from the link in the description, and also get access to my software Epic for free. Use this data, use Epic, make your short videos about iPhone 14 and other trending topic, publish them on YouTube, get visitors and make money. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it, so you learn how to make money online the right way, the easy way, and the fun way. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, and share this video with your friends and family, social media contacts, and all the social media groups that you are a part of. Help others learn how to make money online. And everybody gets notified when we will upload our next money making video. And we will see you in the next video.